Do you like to eat pizza? What is your favorite topping? This drawing will make your mouth water.
Pizza originated from ancient flatbreads and evolved into a modern Italian dish. The word pizza was first documented in 997 CE in southern Italy. Flatbreads were popular with ancient Egyptians, Greeks, Romans, and Persians. The first pizzerias in Naples opened in the 18th century. Modern pizza originated in Italy in the 18th or early 19th century. Street vendors sold pizza that was cheap and easy to eat. Pizza was associated with poverty and was often denigrated by food writers. Pizza became popular with Allied troops stationed in Italy during World War II. Italian immigrants brought pizza with them to the United States. Pizza became a fast food after World War II. In 1889, if you enjoyed this pizza-filled video, please click like and subscribe.